Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Razr 60 Ultra and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this general list, let's go back, we have to scroll and find sound and vibration. Now let's scroll down again to localize this ringtone and sound section, and we can change the ringtone separately for the regular SIM card and eSIM card. eSIM card, yes. So let me show you how to do it, for example, using the first phone ringtone. It does not really matter. Just tap on it. And as you can see, now we've got this pop-out window with pre-installed ringtones from which we can choose. At the top we've got the option None, which means that after choosing it, your device will not use any kind of sound to notify you about the incoming call. And on the other hand, we've got this option at the bottom, Add Ringtone. And after tapping on it, we will be transferred to our own files. So if you've got something, for example, downloaded from the internet, then you will be able to choose it and set it as a ringtone. In order to listen how the particular ringtone sounds, you have to simply tap on it. So here this is how it works. And let's pretend I want this natural to be set as my ringtone. So all I have to do is to make sure that it is marked and then tap on OK. And as you can see, it is immediately notified right here, which means that from now on our device will use the chosen ringtone to notify about the incoming call. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.